It's raining tacos.
So, everybody, as you know, I'm Taco Sniffs. Tonight, I'm working on somebody's decal. I'm also eating a scone. The scone is delicious, thanks for asking. Alright, so this is pretty much the pencil design that we got from our coworker Jeff. See, essentially what I'd like to do is, I'll just show you guys here. Take this. Unlock that bitch. Bitch again. So the whole word's covered, right? So you take and delete this one for now. You're going to take these two. Let me slice them. And the reason I'm slicing them is to separate the phrase from the image itself. Now I have an image that I can go off of. As you can see, this is a full image. Weld those back together. So I'll take this, and this, slice them. And there's this again done. And this. So you take this now. See, so now you notice we're separating the layer. Now the reason we're doing this is because at the end, when we go to print the image or cut the image, if we cut it like this on 2 pages, it's going to be a serious waste of space and resources. So we are separating the fonts and the images so that we can cut everything very close together on 1 sheet if possible, maybe 2, and minimize. Alright, so I'll show you what slice does again. Zoom in. We're going to take the image. Take the right and slice. So it's cut a little section of the image, as you can see. But that looks horrible, so we need to fix that. And that's what we're going to do next. Delete these 3. I'm going to take a shape. It can be any shape. Just grab a little shape, shrink it down. Highlight the thing you want to get rid of. Make sure that you're lined up all nice. Alright. Hold on. A horrible audio, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. This will be a lot better than it is. So we again will slice. And adjust. Yeah, that's a lot better than it was. Okay, I'm happy with that actually. Because it's so minuscule that you are not going to notice it in the large scheme of things. Right, so now I'm going to take another shape. So we got one shape. Now I'm going to take another shape. Rectangle. You can separate anything if you're patient enough. So we take these two and weld them together. Now we take those. Okay, and that welded that together. So now we're going to take that image we welded together. We're going to put it over the part of the image that we want to cut out up here. Okay. Make sure it's there. We're going to select both images. We're going to slice. It's going to slice. We're going to take the Live Life cover lens copy and put it up there. I'm going to highlight the other one. I'm going to delete this. And there you have your whole design cut into sections. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to use Slice and Weld effectively in Cricut Design Space. This has been Talk with Smurf Gaming and Design. Doing a quick one for StickerGnomes Customs. This is going on the back of a client's truck window. It still has yet to get the coloring in it, but this is a quick video. I just wanted to bring you guys because I've had a couple people ask about it. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Enjoy the crafting. This has been Talk with Smurfs, and have a great day.